Let's take a look at one of the companies we're watching on yahoofinance.com and our trusty app. All eyes on Tesla this morning after Elon Musk's SpaceX successfully launched into orbit over the weekend. Heidi Chung is back with us with the details. Heidi, big weekend for space.
It was historic, Brian, over the weekend for space travel, to say the least. Elon Musk's space travel and tech company, SpaceX, becoming the first private company ever to launch astronauts into orbit Saturday at approximately 3:22 p.m. Eastern Time. A Falcon 9 rocket with a Crew Dragon capsule carrying 2 NASA astronauts launched from Florida's Kennedy Space Center, and less than 1 day later, the spacecraft docked at the International Space Station. Now, the successful launch is great news for Elon Musk, but looking at the way Tesla shares are trading this morning, it appears as though Tesla investors are also reaping the benefits of SpaceX's success. Tesla stock surging more than 5% this morning, and seeing that there was no notable news over the weekend regarding Tesla, it appears as though Tesla's stock and its bump this morning can be attributed somewhat to SpaceX. It's important to note that, though, besides having the same CEO, Elon Musk, there's no binding elements between Tesla's business and SpaceX's business. But seeing Tesla stock move on SpaceX news is not all that new, according to Wall Street analysts. Baird's Tesla analyst Ben Callow pointing out in a note last week that in the past, Tesla shares have previously traded around SpaceX launches. Now, the space race is booming, Brian, and people are looking for ways to jump in and invest in the industry. And that's a reason why we're not just seeing Tesla shares up this morning, but Virgin Galactic, a publicly traded company, ticker SPCE, is also up more than 5% this morning. Brian?
What, Heidi, the Tesla Model 3 doesn't fly?
Well, Tesla Model 3 absolutely does fly, but if you think about it, a lot of investors in Tesla are also mostly investing in Elon Musk, his vision, his plan for the future when it comes to autonomous vehicles and also space travel. And being that you can't really invest directly into SpaceX, it does make sense that we are seeing investors pile in a bit into Tesla because they want to invest in Elon Musk's future.
All right, heard it here first. The Tesla Model 3 flies, according to our very own Heidi Chung. Heidi, thanks so much.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.